Hello, so today I will teach you how I make DIY tangle using these paper clips. So I'm using multicolor clips and I'm using this because it's the only one available in our home. You can use also the one who available at your home. So it's what it look like when you open it. There is so many here like this blue one. And I think the blue one is the only one here in this box. I think this yellow one are mixed together. Let's see. Oh. So I'm gonna get these paper clips to make some DIY tangle using paper clips. And now I'm gonna get this, and let's close it. So I'm gonna prepare these paper clips to make our DIY tangle paper clips. So I have this red one, violet, black, green, white, brown, blue, orange, and the yellow one. So since I'm done getting these paper clips, now let's connect them to each other. Like this one, I'm gonna connect the red one and the white one, so you can easily connect it. But if you don't know to connect it, ask a help for your parents or guardian or older siblings. So I'm gonna connect this and connect this. So connect, and yes. Now it's like this. As you can see, it's like a chain, but it's a paper clip. So I'm excited to make this one because I'm gonna first time making this. So I'm gonna connect this orange one to the yellow one and this blue one. As you can see, I'm gonna connect it very easily, and I'm gonna almost done and done. It's like a paperclip chain. So it's like this. It's very easy to make, guys. So now let's connect this black one to the white one. So I'm done connecting it, and our paper clip tangle is done. You can also use it as a bracelet. You can massage it in your hand, and you can also subtract a paper clip on it to make it like a smaller. So I'm gonna subtract this. So yeah, this orange one I'm gonna, and yellow one. So now let's connect it again, so it's like a smaller one now. So you can subtract and add more if you want. So it's like this. So now I'm gonna enjoying playing with it. like this. This is very easy. You can make this at home. So yeah, easy, very simple dimple to make. It's like this, and yeah. So this is what it looks like when you're done doing it. So I'd add some paper clips on the side on it to like it more, to make design it. And bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to the video. Bye guys.